Welcome to Enthusiast Autohaus and our cream puff of a 1986 Porsche 944. This example has just over 79,000 miles. It is a 5-speed manual, beautiful inside and out. It was collector owned and maintained, and it really shows. The paint is in beautiful condition all around. On the inside, the interior is beautiful. It has the Porsche script seats with very little wear on the seats. The door cards are nice. The rear seats are nice. You actually have the cover for the hatchback area that folds and unfolds. There is wear on the steering wheel, which you can see here. Armrest is nice. Center stack is all nice. It does have hot heat, cold AC, good stereo. There is wear on the shift knob there. And there are some hairline cracks on the dash, if you can see those. It has the 2.5-liter Porsche inline 4-cylinder, and it is an absolute joy to drive. And just look at how nice. You really need to see this in person to fully appreciate it. So there you have it, our 1986 Porsche 944.